Hello motorhome enthusiasts! My name is Frank. I'm happy to talk to you today about this great service, the consultation appointment. Would you like to find out more about our motorhomes and campervans? Then you are in the right place. Visit us at Carado.com. There you will find our service Consultation Appointment in the upper navigation bar under the item Services. Click on it and a form will open in which you can enter your data and select your preferred vehicle. If you enter your postcode, you can select a dealer in your area with whom you would like to book the consultation. After you have submitted the form, the trading partner will contact you to arrange your personal consultation appointment. All questions about our motorhomes can be asked during the appointment, from the equipment to the latest technical updates. Don't wait any longer and secure your consultation appointment now. Find out firsthand why Carado motorhomes are the right choice for your next vacation. So let's go! Visit us at www.carado.com and arrange your consultation appointment with your dealer. See you soon on the road with your new Carado motorhome.